Indian citizen or foreign citizen, or changes in correction. Elect move on. And category, if you are individual or HUF, trust or partnership form, you have to select here. And title, Srimati Kumari. And here enter your name and enter your date of birth, email ID, and middle name and mobile number. And after entering captcha, click on this and submit. After submitting, you will receive one reference number. You will receive one reference number to your mail ID, temporary token number. And then click on the submit. And here you have to enter all the details. First, how do you want to submit your application? Submit digitally through eKYC or eSign. Submit scanned images or forward application documents physically. It means you have to take printout and epic photo and signature and send to the NSDL. If you have Aadhaar OTP, then you have to select this. Whether physical PAN card is required. Yes, is applicable. No. If you want to physical PAN card, then you have to select this. And if you don't want the physical PAN card, click on the no. And enter last 4 digits of your Aadhaar card. No photograph is available. Aadhaar card shall be printed on the PAN card. If you want to print your Aadhaar card photo, select yes. Otherwise, select no. Name as per Aadhaar card you have to enter, and full name of the applicant you have to enter here, and date of birth and gender. Have you ever known by other name? If you have any other name. Details of the parent applicable only for individual. Here you have to enter your parents' details, father name, mother name, and parents' name to be printed on the Aadhaar card. Father name or whichever name you have selected, it will be printed on your PAN card. If you click on the next, you will go to personal details. Source of income, we tick as applicable. Nature of which income you are receiving, business income from business or profession, or income from other sources, capital gain income. Which income you have, click on the appropriate box. And address for communication, residential address or office address. Here you have to enter your residential address. And if you want to enter office address, then you can enter office address also here. Whatever address you enter, and you will get next address for communication. Your PAN card will be sent to this address only. Which address you click, then your PAN card will be sent to this address only, and your telephone number, mail ID, and contact details and other things. Area code. Here area code is important. For area code, select state, select which state you are in, Karnataka, and select the city, Bengaluru. Here you have to select appropriate area code for you. And then document details. Document submitted as proof of identity and proof of address and proof of date of birth. Proof of identity, Aadhaar card. I haven't filled the details, that's why it is not coming. And Aadhaar card and voter card and proof of date of birth. If you click on the drop down, Aadhaar card, voter card and all these will come. Declaration. And they have to enter the info. If you click on the submit, you will be redirected to the payment page. And you have to pay 127 rupees or something per PAN card application. If you want to forward the application manually, take the printout of 107. If you want to forward the application, take the printout of application and send it to the NSTL office along with the proof of identity and address and date of birth. And they will process the application. After that, you will receive PAN card to your residential address or office address. For TAN, అది కూడా check. And now you can apply PAN card instantly. But there are some pre-requirements for the instant PAN. Your mobile number must be linked with your Aadhaar card, and your date of birth is available on the Aadhaar card. Your complete date of birth is available in your Aadhaar card. First enter your Aadhaar number and then enter CAPTCHA, and I click on it and generate Aadhaar OTP. You will get one OTP and validate the OTP. After that, and validate your address details, and validate email ID is optional, and you will get an instant PAN card. Click on Income Tax India. Website is www.incometaxindiaefilings.gov.in. If you go to this website, normally we will log in here, and here one option called Instant PAN through Aadhaar card. Click on this one and you will be redirected this page. And if you want to check status of your and download your PAN card, click on here after applying that. And if you want to apply new PAN card, click on here. I think so. PAN card. Okay, but your Aadhaar must be linked with your mobile number, and your complete address is available on the Aadhaar card database. Yeah, full database. Year of birth. In NSDL, click on the services. You will get two options, PAN and PAN. If you click on the PAN, you can apply PAN. If you click on the PAN, then click on the apply online, new PAN. You have to pay 65 rupees for the PAN application. Apply for new PAN. Here you have to select the category of the person, company or individual or HF. If you select company, and here also you have to enter your assessing officer code like we entered in PAN. If you select on the company, only company details will be appear here. All details, we cannot enter anything in other details. For company, select appropriate category, central government company, state government company, other company, and you have to enter your name of the company and the designation of person responsible for making the payment and collecting tax. You have to enter here, and address of the company you have to enter, and road, street, town, and pin code you have to enter, email ID, nationality of the director if it is Indian company, PAN of the company. If you have any existing PAN, you have to enter here, and then you have we enter your company name. In our capacity as himself, do hereby declare the stated above is true and verified today, date of applying date, and 65 rupees you have to pay. You have to pay via DD or check and net banking, and then click on the submit. This is all for this thing also you will do. Sir, ఇది పంపించాలా సార్ ఎవరికైనా? హలో 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 ఇది సబ్మిట్ చేసి పే చేసి అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్ తీసి సెండ్ చేయాలా సార్ ఎన్ఎస్సిఎల్కి? అంతే సార్. If you select individual, here individual details you have to enter, and address. This thing is same for everyone, and if you change the company individual, and this will be enabled. If you click on the central government, state government, these fields will be enabled. And this is yeah. Okay, sir. Hello.